My name is Ashley Parker, and I am the Senior Property Manager at CityWay, which is a mixed-use development in downtown Indianapolis. So the biggest challenge we face at CityWay is that we have over 74 different unique floor plans. So we had a hard time really being able to show everybody everything that we had to offer. Since then, we've been able to take videos of all of our floor plans using RealLink and help residents narrow down before we spend a few hours touring them in person. It gives us the opportunity, especially with 652 apartment homes, to walk into that specific apartment home and say, this is how this one's going to be different from the one you just saw. RealLink did a virtual training with us, and it was specific just for our team. It was a great platform that gave us the opportunity to answer lots of questions and try a video at that same time. After we were done with that training, it was pretty seamless and easy for us to jump in and start making videos right away. We filmed videos of our leasing staff to send out to the prospect at their first interaction. Since then, we've also used RealLink to film get-to-know-you videos of our staff members and at-home maintenance tips. We have nothing but great words to say about RealLink. It has truly made a difference in the way that we do business, and while it's definitely been instrumental in the time of a pandemic, we see it being a tool that we can use for years to come.